Dr. DC Online presents your USMLE Success Blueprint. Dreaming of becoming a doctor in the US? Then cracking the USMLE is your golden ticket. But where do you start? Let's break it down, step by step. What is the USMLE? The United States Medical Licensing Examination, or USMLE, is a three-step exam that assesses a doctor's ability to apply medical knowledge, skills, and understanding of clinical science. Step 1. Basic sciences, pathology, physiology, microbiology, etc. Step 2. CK. Clinical knowledge, diagnosis, management, ethics. Step 3. Final licensing exam with real-world clinical cases. Step 1. Start early and know your resources. Start at least 12 to 18 months before your exam. The earlier you plan, the smoother your journey. Top resources. First aid for USMLE. Step 1. UWorld QBank, gold standard. Pathoma, pathology made simple. Sketchy, for micro and pharma visuals. Anki, daily spaced repetition. Plan your study blocks, 3 to 6 months review, plus 2 to 3 months intensive QBank. Step 2. Master question banks plus self-assessment. Your real learning happens through practice questions. Aim for 2,000 to 3,000 UWorld questions. Focus on reviewing explanations, not just getting the right answer. Add-on tools are NBME practice exams, for predictive scores. UWSA assessments. USMLE-RX for extra practice, Google Sheets for tracking performance. Also, review your mistakes. That's where the growth happens. Step 3. Build a smart study plan. Don't just study harder, study smarter. Create a study calendar tailored to your needs. Sample plan outline. Week 1 to 4. Systems-based review. FA plus Pathoma. Week 5 to 8. Micro Pharma plus UWorld blocks. Week 9 to 12. Full-length tests plus week topic revision. Use 80-20th rule. Focus 80% on weak areas. Mindset, discipline, and wellness. USMLE isn't just about knowledge, it's a mental game too. Here are some mental wellness tips. Get enough sleep, 7 to 8 hours. Avoid burnout, schedule breaks. Exercise, meditate, hydrate. You're not behind, you're just getting started. Exam day strategy. The big day. Here's what to do. Here are some tips. Checklist. Valid ID plus scheduling permit. Snacks, water bottle, comfortable clothes. Arrive early and stay calm. During exam tips. Flag hard questions. Use break time wisely. Manage time per block. Cracking the USMLE takes planning, grit, and the right mindset, and you don't have to do it alone. We are happy to announce that we're launching free, live classes for USMLE, FMGE, PLAB, and NRE aspirants. Stay tuned. Subscribe to Dr. DC Online for more prep tips, free quizzes, and upcoming live classes.